Agent Development Kits, ADKs, bundle everything you need: APIs, libraries, simulators, and sample projects, so you spend less time wrestling with infrastructure and more time refining your agent's unique behaviors. They typically include pre-built modules for perception, e.g., speech, vision, planning, task schedulers, state machines, and execution, action adapters, debugging tools and visualization dashboards to trace decision paths, and spot logic flaws early deployment pipelines that package your agent for cloud, edge, or on-device execution with minimal configuration. In my view, ADKs are game changers for teams tackling complex systems. Rather than hand-rolling every component, you leverage battle-tested patterns and focus on what truly matters: how your agent learns, adapts, and engages users. That said, a potential pitfall is becoming overly dependent on a single framework. It's wise to choose ADKs with modular architectures so you can swap in custom components as your project evolves. Ultimately, a robust ADK accelerates development cycles, enforces consistency across agents, and helps scale from a simple chatbot prototype to a fleet of autonomous robots, all while keeping maintenance overhead surprisingly low. An agent development kit, commonly referred to as an ADK, is a comprehensive software toolkit designed to simplify the creation, deployment, and management of intelligent agents. These agents are systems capable of making decisions, learning from experience, and interacting with users or other systems in meaningful ways. The ADK provides developers with modular components, including libraries, frameworks, and tools that abstract away low-level technical details, allowing them to concentrate on high-level behaviors and decision-making logic. The core components of an ADK typically include pre-built algorithms for natural language processing, machine learning, and data analysis. These algorithms help developers create agents that can understand user input, analyze data trends, and provide relevant responses or actions. Additionally, an ADK often comes with user interface design tools that enable developers to craft engaging interactions, ensuring that agents can communicate effectively across various platforms. Furthermore, the ADK supports integration with different services and databases, allowing for the seamless exchange of information needed to enhance the agent's performance. This enables developers to build powerful agents that can operate across multiple environments, whether they are virtual assistants in smart devices or autonomous robots in industrial settings. Moreover, the versatility of an ADK makes it suitable for various applications, ranging from customer service bots to intelligent scheduling systems. Agent development tools have evolved significantly over the past few decades. Initially, they were custom-built, rule-based systems that demanded deep expertise in symbolic artificial intelligence and logic programming. These early systems were often rigid, difficult to scale, and limited to narrow problem domains. The emergence of expert systems in the 1980s introduced structured decision-making frameworks, while the rise of agent-oriented programming, AOP, in the 1990s brought object-oriented principles to autonomous agent design. This paved the way for more modular and reusable code bases. Early agent development kits, ADKs, were primarily designed for research purposes, focusing on multi-agent system coordination and inter-agent communication protocols such as FIPE. Over time, these kits evolved into comprehensive platforms supporting debugging tools, visual modeling, and integration with modern machine learning frameworks, making intelligent agent development far more accessible, scalable, and production-ready. Agent development kits comprise several core components that work together to support the entire life cycle of intelligent agent development, from initial design to deployment and maintenance. These components typically include agent communication languages like FIPA ACL for standardized messaging, integrated development environments, IDEs, equipped with debugging tools and visualization dashboards, execution platforms that manage runtime behavior, and modular libraries that support reasoning, decision-making, and learning processes. Some ADKs also offer simulation tools and templates for rapid prototyping. Together, these elements streamline the development of agents across various domains, such as robotics, virtual assistants, and automated trading systems. A deep understanding of the architecture and integration of these components is essential to fully harness the power of ADKs. It enables developers to build scalable, interoperable agents that function cohesively within multi-agent systems, both in simulated environments and real-world deployments.